my name is Shahira and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're hitting the core again. We're going to do a 10-minute at-home ab workout with no equipment needed. If you've been following my YouTube channel this week, you'll see that I started a series of these workouts and I will be doing different body parts as well, but we've been focusing on abs for this week. I'm out of breath because I've just finished it. I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing the intro now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the workout and let's get going.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie.
So that's it. Thank you so much for working out with me today and for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up. You can also leave any comments or suggestions you might have in the comment box below. You can also catch me on my social media. I'll put all the links in the description, and I'll also put my username somewhere on the screen. You can also ring the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. As we're all staying inside, I'm getting a lot more videos done recently. So yeah, turn on the notification bell to be notified. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video.